What's up, my stylish people? This is Shank. Welcome back to this channel. This video is all about 3 Converse All-Star shoes I picked up from Amazon. Generally, I don't like Converse low tops to start with. It's subjective. That's my personal opinion that low tops don't look that great. Moving on to the shoe number 1. It is a Converse Chuck 70. This is a new release from Converse in this recycled materials and also in the earthy tones. I also got one in olive green color as well. These are the 2 new colors Converse has released. When it comes to the color, it is in the deep shade of the maroon, not on the brighter side. It is still a canvas option, but for this premium Chuck 70s, they have updated this material with a much more durable vintage canvas options. When I compare the All-Star to the Chuck 70s, I'm generally a little bit biased to the Chuck 70s. I love how the shoe is designed, and I also love this off-white, thick, shiny layout when it comes to the heel portion as well as the cup portion. That's what generally differentiates the Chuck 70s from the All-Stars. When it is compared to the basic All-Star options, the insole for the Chuck 70s is always better. It is very comfortable, unlike the normal canvas options which you can find at 2,800 to 3,000 rupees. I like this off-white creamish shiny heel and cup portion along with this black color lining going across, and also I like on the heel portion of the back side they have this Converse All-Star Chuck Taylor in the shiny option with the star at the center as well as 2 small stars on both sides under the Chuck as well as under the Taylor. That's what I like, the attention to detail when it comes to these options. I'm planning to do an entire video on my Converse shoe collection, basically high top collections, either All-Star or Chuck 70s. Feel free to let me know in the comment section if you would like to see that. Each and every option or each and every color may not be available at this point of time, but I would love to do for you guys. Now, let's talk about the price point. These are priced at 5,000 rupees, but on Amazon during the recent sale, and also that price and availability might still be the same when you're watching this video. You can get this at a price point of 3,500 rupees. You get a slight discount when it compared to the other websites. There are websites like veggnonveg.com, which if you want, the shoe is still available at 5,000 rupees. But on Amazon, when you're getting these on discount, why to opt for any other site? Because here the exchange and refund policy is also much more better than the other sites such as veggnonveg.com. This one is a must-have, at least for me. I love this color. Moving on to the shoe number 2. It is a Converse Chuck 70s in this green color. Apart from the basic neutral colors, I also love burgundy and then green color and also mustard color. Just like the previous one, I also love this color. For my eyes, I'm not sure like how it is reflected on the video. It looks like a lighter shade, maybe olive green color, but on the website it has been marked as a dark moss. Not sure about that. But whatever the advantages I mentioned when it comes to the comfort, overall durability, when it comes to the recycled canvas, because this is an updated design from Converse, these are the newer levels, everything stays the same with the same glossy finish when it comes to the heel portion as well as the cup portion. The price is also same at 5,000 rupees, and I got this on Amazon for 3,500 rupees. I will make sure that the link is there in the description below in case if you want to shop. I'm really sorry if the products go out of stock by the time you are watching this video, but however, if you get this at a price point of 3,500 rupees, that's a great deal. Moving on to the shoe number 3. It is a Converse hybrid shoe. It is a unisex option in this lavender color and white color. It's actually a color blocked sneaker. When it comes to Converse high tops, generally I size down, and here all the shoes which you're going to see in this video are of size 8. This one, I really like the color combination. It might look a little bit girly for a few of you guys, but do consider that this particular color, the purple color or lavender or any shades of that purple, it is trending since last 2 seasons and it is going super strong. If you're already invested in the purple color when it comes to top wear, you can easily mix and match using these options. In case if you don't have that also, because it's a hybrid shoe and it have 2 colors, it's a color block one, right? It also have the white color when it comes to the tongue portion and also the cup portion. It is the standard for the Converse options. When you see the All-Stars or when you see the Chuck Taylors, generally the tongue, this portion will be matched with the rest of the shoe color, but here it's a color blocked one and you get a pure white color. That's a statement option when it comes to this shoe. I really love the color combination here. However, there is a pretty big advantage for this shoe when it is compared to the other 2 sneakers which you have seen in this video, is the comfort. Even though when it comes to insole, it's more or less the same, and I feel that even when it comes to just insole feeling, I feel Chuck 70s are better. But here this wide portion, the entire portion, this tongue portion of the shoe, they have so much of padding to it that add extra sense of comfortness. Overall, you will feel that this is much more comfortable than the Chuck 70s or normal All-Star Basics. This is also priced at 5,000 rupees and I got this for a price point of same 3,500. But why I bought these three colors to start with? Because I'm already covered with all the basic options. I'm covered with the white as well as black one to start with. I do have multiple number of colors when it comes to Converse high tops. That's why I have invested in this earthy tones and also in this kind of different colors. If you have to buy only one sneaker from Converse high tops, I would suggest you guys to go with the Converse All-Star white leather option, not the canvas option, because leather option is much more durable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's it from me. See you next time.